Hi guys, welcome to Nat 5 and 5. Hopefully I'll do this video within around 5 minutes. We're going to look at volume today, we're going to look at spheres and hemispheres. So let's have a look. Okay, you are given this formula in your exam. So the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. Now it is a cubed here. I know people are used to working with pi r squared, which rolls off their tongue. Please do not make that silly mistake of writing a squared there instead of a cubed. It is 4/3 pi r cubed. You're given the formula. All we have to do now to work out this question is just plug everything in. So find the volume of the sphere and your answers to be given to 3 significant figures. Again, do not lose that rounding or accuracy mark by not doing that at the end. So we've got volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed. Now I know 4/3, I know pi is pi. You can use your pi button or 3.14. I would always tend to use the button on my calculator to make it more accurate. And you're substituting r. And now you have been given 24, which is the diameter. So on your diagram, I would always put in the radius of 12 centimeters just to make sure that you are definitely using the 12 and not the 24. So your volume equals 4/3. These are all multiplying together, multiplied by pi, multiplied by 12 cubed. And all you're doing is typing this into your calculator. Please learn how to use your calculator properly, and please for the 4/3 part, try and use your fraction button on your calculator. So type all of that in and you should get an answer of 7,238.229. And again, I just write a more fuller answer to make sure I get my answer mark correct. Go back again and look at the question, and you wanted 3 significant figures. So 1, 2, 3, most important. This is my decider. That 8 rounds that 3 up. So it becomes 7,240 centimetres cubed. And that is your final answer. Okay, let's have a look at this one here. It says find the volume of the hemisphere, which is half a sphere. Give your answer to 2 significant figures. Now, it does not give you the formula for a hemisphere in the exam. It gives you the formula for a sphere in your exam. But you're going to use this formula for a sphere, and then all you're going to do is half it. So you can use that formula and then at the very end half it, but there is always a possible problem of you forgetting to do that. So the volume of the hemisphere here, you're going to use 4/3 pi r cubed. And then what you're going to do is you're going to half that. Now you should know from your fractions work, if I have a half multiplied by 4/3, which is happening here, you can just multiply the top by the top and the bottom by the bottom. You should always look diagonal to see if anything cancels. So you certainly could cancel 2 goes into 2 one time, and 2 goes into 4 2 times. Then if you were to simplify that, 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, and 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. So a half multiplied by 4/3 is in fact 2/3. So if I go back over here, this is really what I've just done here. This simplifies to 2/3. So you can remember, or you can work that out every time, that that's 2/3 pi r cubed. Or if you wanted, like I said, you can just work out the whole sphere, use the formula for the whole sphere, but you must remember to half it at the end. Okay, I'm just going to continue on. Another kind of misconception, another thing people make a mistake with, so I'm just going to 2/3 multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius. Now if I stop there, the radius is 36. I don't know why people do this, but they often make a mistake and they often half that 36, thinking that 36 is the diameter. That 36 is the radius. And again, when I'm teaching my kids, I usually just say to them, just make a full sphere, just a wee. If you make a full sphere, it makes it really, really clear that that 36 is the radius. So you're going to do pi multiplied by 36, all cubed. And again, type that into your calculator and you get an answer of 97,716.0974. Again, fuller answer and then I go back to the start, look at my accuracy, which is 2 significant figures. So 1, 2, this is my decider. So my answer is going to be 98,000 centimetres cubed. Okay, hope that was useful, guys. So your turn now. Okay, it's your turn, guys. Just work out the volume of these two. One's a sphere, one's a hemisphere, and I have provided the answers for you. So good luck.